Okay, right there is the Macau Palace. So we're going to be checking that all out. And then this is right next to the Grand Lisboa Palace. And it's also next to all these casinos. There's Cotai Strip. So there's Wind Palace, City of Dreams, MGM. And we're going to go in here and check it all out. This opened up a couple weeks ago and this opened up today. So I did another video of that. But since I'm in the area, we're going to come in and check out Macau Palace and see what it's like today. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are in Macau Palace. I just saw some people go down on the skyline over there. I wish I would have caught that a few minutes ago, but anyways, this is the Macau Palace. That over there is the Grand Lisboa Palace. And let's just check out some of the detail first. I don't know if we can get in this one yet, but it's pretty cool looking. Especially that sign right there, right? Kind of neon sign. But we're gonna go in on this side. That's the skyline. It's like a lot of stairs that go all the way up there. Okay, so first thing we're gonna have to do is I have to show them my that I'm vaccinated. Okay, so now I have that all set up, and we're going to show them. Thank you. Okay, so that's the Zip City. So it looks like the Zip City is for that up there, and then they go all the way down. So we'll probably catch somebody going down there a little bit, I hope. So yeah, Zip City, and then here's it's like a live music place, I think. Macau Palace right there. MGM, Grand Lisboa Palace. So looks like you got a few people that might be going in there in a minute. I guess they have all this room just because there might be such a long line in the future. So we'll just kind of see what happens. No live music yet, but maybe later. Got some games and things like that. So it looks like you got some games for kids. Some more games. San Miguel, you can get some beer for 20 and 50 mob. And you have these as well. So yeah, it's all written in Chinese. So it looks like it's going to cater mostly towards the Chinese market, and most of the casinos do. It's not really very you don't really see much foreign friendliness at all. And actually the city's closed to foreigners anyways, so it's only mainland Chinese can come into the city anyways, so I guess it doesn't really matter that much. Okay. There's some offers. Good, there's some English there. Oh, that's interesting. So this is interesting because they have it in Chinese and English, but there's no Portuguese. There's Lisboeta Mall. Yeah, if you're a Chinese speaker, does this sometimes there's also like politics about things that are for the mainland audience, because they'll write in the there's simplified Chinese script as well. So sometimes some of the casinos will just use that, and they won't use the style that they use here in Macau. But yeah, actually, you're supposed to post everything in Portuguese too. But it looks like this one kind of got away from that. But I mean, as an English speaker, of course, it's nice to see English. But yeah, I haven't really seen, it's the first time I've seen a sign in Macau that didn't have Portuguese in it, so that might be kind of symbolic of the future too, where maybe they're not so interested in let's see, so I think we'll just keep on going that way. This had a grand opening a few weeks ago and it was quite popular. There's a cashier, 1-to-1-to-1 money-wise. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the skydiving, indoor skydiving. See, I don't know, that's interesting. It's interesting that this is the first place I've seen that doesn't have Portuguese, so they got rid of that law. I thought that was a law that you had to use Portuguese. There's a landfill over there. There's Grand Lisboa over there. And we're just gonna keep on, we'll walk around the corner. Yeah, kind of interesting. But on the other hand, this is a pretty cool. Like, this looks really photogenic for tourists. Got the Grand Lisboa over there. Hello. That's good. Good friendly people, right? So you got the indoor skydiving right there. That was good to see a nice warm response like that. Okay, so right over here, that's the Macau prison. You probably want to see some of this too. But that's Macau prison, and that's like a factory, and that's a big landfill over there. So all the garbage and trash in Macau goes over in that landfill over there. I don't know how well you can see it on this camera, but I'm just gonna walk all the way down. Indoor skydiving. So we kind of have to go around a little bit, so let me just turn off the camera until we get there. We walked all the way over here to the skydiving part, and when I came on opening day, there was a bunch of kids that were there. I thought it'd be more popular. From the window, it looked like I didn't see anybody, so we'll see. Maybe the COVID era is affecting everything and everybody. Oh, the music's a little too loud. Okay, that might affect my YouTube video. 1 second. So yeah, I usually have skydiving in here on day one, but I guess today maybe there's not enough guests. So I'll put a link down below. You can see it from the other day. Then here's some of the packages. So Skydive is $7.99. So 6 jumps for $1,500. You can also get a t-shirt as well. Okay. Close available 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And the training at 6 o'clock, so. Okay. Well, I guess we're not going to see anything there today. Today's Friday, so I don't know. I guess later maybe it'll be more popular. So anyways, that's Macau Palace, Lisboeta. This is about 3 weeks later from the grand opening. So, okay. Okay, we're gonna come back around to this side, and we have some pretty friendly people here, so I think we'll say hello to them again. And there they are right there. So yeah, I think they were pretty nice, so we'll just capture them real quick and then we'll say hello again. So we'll just say hello. 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 Yeah, that's pretty nice. So we're gonna keep on going all the way in. Yeah, there's some really good people in Macau. I like Macau a lot, actually. Sometimes I don't know, the video is kind of complaining about the language policy a little bit, but overall, really like Macau a lot. Okay. Let's go back out. We'll see this again. Got a kiosk. So, okay. They might have something set up for like magic shows. And it's kind of cool looking too. This kind of reminds me of parts of Hong Kong where it's kind of set up like this. Like, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way through. Got a bicycle. We're gonna head back out. And then, yeah, so that's Grand Lisboa. We'll capture a nice picture right here. And there's Macau Palace right there. So okay, I guess what we'll do, I hope there's a zip line that comes through there. That's where it could be, should be. Right when I came in, I didn't have the camera on at that moment, and I saw somebody go through it. That would have been a good capture. Yeah, I was kind of imagining this would be like more things. Like the food stands are quite small, just kind of centered for the tourists, you know, and a little bit. Prices are good, but you can get these anywhere in the city, right? Okay. Here's hot dogs, hot bite. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely more set up for tourists. So let's kind of angle out. I'll give you some final thoughts about it. But yeah, I think overall it's it was the first day. It was there was a lot of people around, and I like that filming a lot. So we'll put that at the end so you can see the first day again. Just go to the end and you'll see my you can click on that link. It's the last 10 seconds or whatever of the video. There's the skyline right there. But I think the big attraction here is to go to the skyline and then also go to the indoor skydiving. The indoor skydiving was empty today. I don't know if it's always gonna be that way. Maybe the prices will go down quite a bit. I don't know. But yeah, and then this one right here, Zipline, I can imagine that would be popular. The food, there's not really that much food choices. There's a couple, you know, like that hot dog one and some like basic stuff, but it's I wish they had, it kind of caters always, everything kind of caters to the Chinese market. I wish there was like a little bit more variation. None of the casinos really market the foreign audience, except for Londoner has a couple places in there now. So I think there's like 3 places that have some foreign foods, but you can't really get like pizzas, you can't get a lot of stuff you just can't really get. So that's like one of the downfalls of Macau, is it just does not cater towards a non-Chinese market at all, which is unfortunate because you got like tons of people all over Asia that would come here too, you know, from, you know, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, but it just doesn't really cater towards anybody towards the international market at all, which is unfortunate. But this is pretty cool. Anyways, you got a nice zip line, you got the skydiving, and it's a nice nice venue with the black and white and everything like that too. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.